And new no-fault laws, you said, should go into effect at the start of July.
Yeah, Michael Martin spoke to a family of a 40-year-old man who has needed in-home caregivers since a crash back in 1994. He's live in the newsroom with their story. Michael.
Yeah, Derek, Doug, signed into law, as you mentioned, back in 2019. This new no-fault auto law will essentially reduce the amount of money that insurance companies will reimburse towards the cost of in-home caregivers. For people like 40-year-old Aaron Castle, it could mean the end of badly needed 24/7 in-home care.
I don't know what we'll do. I don't know what we'll do, and I can't believe we're at this point.
Since a car accident in 1994 left him with severe brain trauma, 40-year-old Aaron Castle has needed around-the-clock in-home care.
That's a good one.
Through their no-fault auto insurance, the family has always been able to have caregivers come into their home.
Because of his accident, his brain can't control his body temperature, and it can go way low or way high. It has to be monitored constantly. He can hurt himself and will if he's able.
Their hourly wages always covered by their insurance.
We can't do it ourselves, and we need them. Aaron needs them. And we need our son healthy and content.
But a new law going into effect on July 1st could mean the end of his caregivers. The bill, signed by Governor Whitmer in 2019, will introduce a new fee schedule that will cut the amount paid to in-home caregivers by around 45%.
Nobody could survive on that. And his father and I are both 60 plus, and it's difficult to care for him by ourselves.
Aaron's caregivers have always been facilitated through Granville-based Healthcare Associates.
We're 45 days away from July 1st and these things changing, and I do not know what's going to happen.
President Larry Treese says that while families like Aaron's will still technically be eligible for 24/7 care, companies like Healthcare Associates will only be reimbursed for 45% of what they previously were.
The reality is this: I have 26 in my company, Aaron's, that we take care of. If I take care of all those 26 people the way I'm taking care of them now, I will lose $2,500 a day.
For Aaron's family, the thought of losing caregivers like Nelson Vink is devastating.
I know that I can take care of him to the best of my ability when I'm here, but if he's not going to be able to get the same care, people aren't going to be able to be paid, I would definitely worry.
We've had the security all these years of knowing that anything resulting from his accident will be taken care of, and now the threat is that's all going to be gone.
There are currently 2 bills in the Michigan legislature aimed at addressing the impending issues: Senate Bill 314 and House Bill 4486.
What's the plan? What are we going to do? They're sitting there. Let's get some committees going. Let's get some discussion going. Let's talk about a rate that will work. This is a winner for everybody.
Yeah, so at this point, the family and the folks at Healthcare Associates feel their best course of action is to urge our state lawmakers to push those 2 bills through, to find a compromise that would allow families like Aaron's to keep the caregivers they so badly need. They ask others wishing to help the cause to reach out to representatives in your area and ask them to consider these bills. For now, live in the newsroom, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.